Hello everyone and welcome back to a new short video. In this section of the video I will clear the small doubts you have as one of your friend asked me to solve question number 3 part E using the triangle formula, which is how can we find an angle using the formula for triangle. Okay, so let's see. Okay, calculate the angle BCD. BCD means we are supposed to find angle C. Okay, so before doing that we have to we have to write, let's label it. We knew BC was 5 meter, so BC is 5 meter. So as you can see, if BC is 5 meter, you see here is 4, here is 3, here is also the same 4 and 3. So that means they are uh, right angled, equal right angle triangle. So this means if this is 5 means this is automatically gonna be 5. If you want, you can also solve uh, using Pythagoras theorem to find this side. Either ways it's correct. And what was the length of CD? The length of CD was, I will write in whole number, it was 3 root 2 meter, which was like I think 4.2 something. So let's not use the decimals, let's take the entire number so that we don't have any changes when we get our final answer. Okay, so we know all the sides. So how to use this formula? As you can see, the formula says c square is equals to b square plus d square minus 2bd cos c. So how do we change it? If let's say not according to the formula. So let's say here they asked us to find angle C, so we used C. Let's say if they ask us to find angle D or angle B, so according to the angle the letters are gonna change. So how are we gonna do that? Very easy. Okay, let's take blue. Okay, so you see first this is angle C, so take the exact opposite side and label it as a small c. Small c represents the side. Let's say this is angle D, go to the opposite side and write small d. This is angle B, go to the opposite side and write small b. Okay, so that's how we start to gather one by one things of the formula. Okay, so now they ask us to find angle C, so we start with this side. If they ask you to find angle C, so before bracket we are gonna see C square. Okay, if they had asked us to find angle D, then here we would have D instead of C. Okay, so C square is equals to, what are the remaining letters? It's like, if you can remember this concept, you don't have to even memorize the formula. This is C square. Okay, so the remaining are B and D. So C square is equals to B square plus D square minus 2 times, this dot represents multiplication sign, 2 times B times D, okay, cos angle C. Okay, I hope this is clear. So now since we have written the exact form, we will just change the letters to the actual labeling that is given in the question. So C square becomes what? Where is C? This is C. C is BD. So we write BD square is equals to, what is side B? B is C and D. So CD square plus D square. What is D square? D is BC square minus 2 times small b is CD again, times D. What is D? D is BC cos angle C. So let's write the values. BD is 5 square is equals to CD. CD is 3 root 2 whole square plus, what is BC again? BC is 5 square minus 2 times CD is 3 root 2. Now just you have to plug in the values and find the answer. Cos angle C. Okay, so let's do the maths now. 5 square minus, we bring this 2 to the other side, so the sign changes. Here it's positive, here it's positive, so when it goes to the other side, this one becomes negative, this one becomes negative. So this one becomes 3 root 2 square minus 5 square is equals to negative 2, 3 root 2 times 5 cos angle C. So you see we can cancel positive 5 and negative 5 and positive 5. So remaining we will have negative 3 root 2 whole square. So this negative and this negative can also get cancelled. So finally we are left with 3 root 2 whole square is equals to 2 times 3 root 2 times 5 times cos angle C. So we can write cos angle C is equals to 3 root 2 whole square divided by 2 times 3 root 2 times 5. Therefore, angle C is equals to cos inverse 3 root 2 whole square divided by 2 times 3 root 2 times 5. Let's see what we get. So as you can see here, we get the answer. I copied it, the calculator. So we get the answer as 64.9 degree. So your answer range in this sort of question, it's like 64.9 to 65.1. So I think something like this. So if you get your answer in between this, is 64.9 or 65 or 65.1, I think the answer is correct, because this answer totally depends on this value. If you have taken the entire value, you are gonna get this. If you have rounded up somewhere, so you will get something more or less. So I hope I have cleared up the concept. This is the way to solve for an angle using the triangle formula. Just take a note of this. You understand this formula, how it works, it becomes very easy. So I hope your concept is clear. Please do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. So have a good day. Bye bye.